My husband called my sister attractive. Me and my ex-husband, Charles, had been together for 2 years. Everything seemed fine until recently. My little sister, Amy, 14, stayed with us for a few days while my parents were outside the country. That's when things between my husband and my sister started to feel wrong. At first, I thought I was imagining it, but Charles started making comments that made me feel incredibly uncomfortable. He would call her so hot and would say things like, "You're going to turn heads when you're older," and "You've got such a body on you already." The worst part was when he said, "I'd be jealous if I were your boyfriend. Every guy will be looking at you soon." It made me really uncomfortable to be around him, but I tried to brush it off at first. Then, I overheard him on the phone telling a male friend, "Amy's got that look now. It's like she's already starting to bloom." That was it for me. It was creepy and disgusting coming from him, and I honestly couldn't stay with him any longer. I confronted him, and he said I was paranoid and overreacting. He claimed he was just being nice to Amy. I didn't believe him, so I packed my stuff and moved back with my parents.